Hello and welcome to my 7th free WordPress blog tutorial. Alright, so we have a lot of the site put up. And it's pretty much done, and you could leave it this way if you want to, but I'm going to show you some pretty cool things that you can add to it. Some things called widgets. So, you want to head on over to Themes, Customize. And then go ahead and click on Widgets. And then scroll to the bottom because that's where the widgets are located. They're kind of located on this bottom area here. So footer 1 is going to go kind of right here, footer 2 is going to go kind of right here, and footer 3 is going to go there. So you can stack as many as you want on top of each other, but I would recommend just like 2 or 3. So add a widget. We're going to add lots of widgets. Let's add archives, a monthly archive of your posts. Audio displays like an audio file or audio player. Or you can display other blogs that you follow, stats. Let's do some stats, but yeah, stats sounds good. Let's do that. Blog stats. Hits. And it's going to display it in the middle because we only have one. 7 hits! What? That's actually like surprising to me. Anyway, alright, add another widget. Let's see, calendar of your site's posts. Let's try that. Let's do that. Cool. So, post, blog, post, and calendar. There we go. And then I think it has a red one here because we posted on this day. Pretty sure we did. Yeah, we did. That was yesterday. Posted that day. And let's say I want this calendar up on top. Move it. There. Good. I think I like that one. So I'm going to move on to footer 2. Add a widget. Contact info. This one's not important. Display WordPress posts. This is like from other WordPress sites. We don't really care about that really, but you can play around with it. They're pretty easy to figure out. This is like, who cares about that? You can do this if you want. It shows your Facebook page on your website. You could do that if you want to. I'm pretty sure you would just have to, yeah, you have to like sign in and stuff, but I don't really want to do that right now, so I'm going to add another widget. Display Flickr videos, show people that you follow, add a follow button to allow people to follow your blog. That's a good one. Let's add that. There we go. So then if someone wants to follow, they can click on that. Cool. Show follower count. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see how many people are following our blog. 1! I think it's me. It might be me. Oh well. Add a widget. Goodreads, gallery. This displays like a bunch of images. This is like your personal avatar picture. This is automatic translation of your site if you want. Gravatar profile. You can display an image. An Instagram. Let's do an image. My cat. Add an image. There she is. Cool. Add another widget. We're going to run out of space to add widgets. I'll just add 3 per page, and then we'll be good. And then we can show more. All right, image. Links. You can put a link in there. You can put, this one I thought was really cool, milestone. So let's say you have an event coming up, like maybe you're going to run a marathon on like October 1st or something. You'd say date, okay, count down to the marathon. And then race day. Maybe just that. And then pick the day it's going to be. October. I'm not running a marathon on October 1st, just so you know. October 1st. Well, let's say you were. Yeah, see, look, 6 months to go. And I think it would start at like 7 in the morning, so I'm just going to put 7 there. And then you have to pick a message for like when the day happens, like excuse me. So like when it becomes October 1st at 7 a.m., this message will appear. Like, yay! It's race day. And that'll show up when it reaches October 1st. So, oh, you hear my cat in the background? Yeah. All right. Cool. Let's put another widget in here. My community, a sampling of users. That's not super important. Navigation menu. This is for sidebar. We don't have a sidebar. List all of your site's pages. List posts that I like. Recent comments. You can do that. Recent posts. This one's pretty good. You should have this one. So I'm going to do recent posts. And I want 5 posts to display. Post a date. That's a good one. Yeah. So that's down here. Oh, it got rid of my image. There must not have been enough room. So you just have to make sure there's enough room. So then I want to move this to up here. Blog stats can be at the bottom. Let's actually put the recent posts on top. The calendar can go on the bottom, so people can see it when they go down there anyway. Now footer 3, add a widget. Search. Let's have a search so that people can search our site for things. There we go. And then social icons. Let's add. These are for these RSS things. These are for like different blogs. I'm not entirely sure what RSS means, but you know, you can figure it out. So yeah, social icons. Oh, hi, kitty. Small. And then add an icon, and then you would have to put all your account URLs in. So for your social medias, not going to do that right now. Add a widget. You can just randomly put text there. You can pin your top posts and pages, so like the most viewed. I don't know what this is. Or you can put your Twitter timeline on there, or upcoming events, so people are more. Or you can put a video there. I'm gonna put text there. This blog. Oh, it's kind of a title. Let's see. Hi, kitty. Kind of a title would be keep in touch. Make sure you subscribe and follow my blog to keep up to date on my cat's life. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put this actually right here because then, yeah, look at all that stuff that people can do now. Woo! I realize that this has nothing to do with cats, but whatever. I could change it to like days till my cat's birthday, but whatever. So now I hit publish. Cool. So that should be done then. We hit view site, visit site. So this is what it looks like. And I never pointed this out before, but see, look at the little icon is up there. Isn't that cute? So then there's the home page and all the widgets. Oh, there's the picture. There's all the widgets. I think I actually would move this up there. But yeah. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. And I'm pretty sure that you can contact me. All the widgets are on every page. Yep. Yup. Alrighty then. So there they are again. Well, that about wraps it up for today's video. It wasn't much. You can play around with it. There are so many more widgets you can add. And in a future video, I'm going to show how you can put those like on the side of your site too, instead of just the bottom. We're going to have to switch themes for that, I'm pretty sure. But I'll show you how to do that and how to fix all the stuff that breaks when you switch themes. So, yeah, have a great day and happy Easter.